My name is Nella Arangio, and I am a spa education and business development specialist. Well, it's as part of my industry. It's important that I know who's doing what out there and what the latest trends are. Those trend facials that using the vampire facial, it's something that is performed in a plastic surgeon's office, which is usually the opposite of what I prefer in the realms of working in holistic industry. But it's used in the medical aesthetics, where I'm in the holistic aesthetics. So in the medical aesthetics, or with plastic surgeons, is where it's performed. The integrity of that procedure kind of lives in the medical